What's up, ladies and gents? It's your boy Moke, resident back alley host and tournament organizer, operator, etc., etc. And for those of y'all know, the Killer Instinct 2 tournament that I'm hosting is supposed to come in, right? Check this out. No, not my fly hoodie. But yo, I got a box. Yo, what's in the box? Well, it's the prize. And I did not pre-prep this box. So, hold on a second. We gotta use a watch. Just need to get in it, right? All right, so I ain't looked in it. You guys can see that. All right, let's see what it. Oh, most people want to do it like, oh well, let's you know, but me, rather just do it raw, baby. All right, so let's see what it came out like. Huh. Okay. Back Alley 711 Championship, you know what I'm saying? I got next. So there's that. Nice purple to go with the Killer Instinct 2. There's the I got next logo with the Rareware symbol, you know what I mean? And these are colored plates as well. So Back Alley 711 logo and the Arcade1up. And yeah, man, like look at it. It's that's not bad at all. I actually like the way they came out. So, tentatively, January 8th, the winner will get this belt. The winner will get this prize. Like, I don't know how I feel about the color, but maybe I just can't do colors well, or else, but it looks really good. If you're interested in fighting for this belt, make sure that you subscribe to the Mo Plays channel, enter the Killer Instinct 2 tournament, and yeah, we're going to put that thing to use. And I don't know how we're going to get clean video. Arcade1up, hint, hint. Yo, somebody tell John D in the comments and on Twitter to help put the kid on. Anyway, you know, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoy the belt, and congrats to the winner. Yo, subscribe to Mo Plays. It's free.